Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. Tokenlon is a decentralized exchange, accessible at https://tokenlon.im that allows users to trade cryptocurrencies directly from their wallets. This eliminates the need to deposit funds on a centralized exchange, significantly reducing the risk of loss due to hacks or platform insolvency. Tokenlon leverages the security and transparency of blockchain technology to offer a trustless trading experience. By connecting your wallet, you gain access to a diverse range of digital assets available for swapping. The platform's user interface is designed for simplicity and ease of use, making it accessible to both novice and experienced traders. Transaction fees on Tokenlon are competitive, typically a small percentage of the trade value, and are paid directly to the blockchain network. Furthermore, Tokenlon supports multiple wallets, giving users the flexibility to choose their preferred method of interacting with the platform. This decentralized nature also grants users greater control over their private keys and, consequently, their funds. One key benefit of utilizing Tokenlon is the enhanced privacy it offers. Unlike centralized exchanges that require extensive KYC, know your customer, procedures, Tokenlon allows users to trade without revealing their personal information. This anonymity adds another layer of security and aligns with the decentralized ethos of cryptocurrency. For those seeking a secure, private, and user-friendly way to trade cryptocurrencies, Tokenlon presents a compelling option. Its decentralized architecture, coupled with its intuitive interface and competitive fees, makes it a valuable tool in the decentralized finance (DeFi) ecosystem. By facilitating direct peer-to-peer trading, Tokenlon empowers users to take control of their crypto assets and participate in the burgeoning world of decentralized finance. The platform's commitment to security and transparency positions it as a trustworthy platform for all your crypto trading needs. Finally, remember to always exercise due diligence and research any platform before engaging in any financial transactions.